Okay, the next type of graph that we're going to study and learn about is a pictograph. So the pictograph, just hearing this word, what does it remind you of? If you said pictures, then you are right. So this type of graph, we're going to use some sort of picture to represent our data. We're going to represent the same data that were from our frequency table on our pictograph. Now, so what's something you notice about our pictograph that is similar to the other graphs? Yes, it has a title. So far, all of them have a title because we need to know exactly what this graph is talking about. So here, favorite subject, and we're going to draw pictures to represent this. So I'm thinking of a picture that is easy for me to draw to represent this information. I'm thinking of a star. Maybe we can use a star or a circle or a square, any shape that you want. I'm going to use a circle. So when we say we're going to use a circle, we have to come up with something that is, we call a key. So in a pictograph, you're always going to have a key. And this key is going to tell you exactly so we have the key. And this is going to tell you exactly what that circle represents. So we can say one circle represents, I'm going to say, looking at my numbers, I'm going to say that each circle could represent 2. It's going to represent 2 students that chose that as a favorite subject. So it's telling me that one circle equals 2 students. So let's see, the math. If there was 8 students who chose math, how many circles do I need? Let's see if you were right. One circle is 2. What about 2 circles? How much is that? 2 and 2 is 4, but we need 8. Another circle, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Another circle, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So this represents 8 students that chose math as a favorite subject. The next one is science. Let's see if you can see how many circles we should put here to represent the amount of students that chose science. Let's see if you were right. One circle, that's 2. 2 circles, that's 4. 3 circles, that's 6. Good job. So 2, 4, 6. So these are the amount of students that chose science as their favorite subject. Now, let's see if you can say how many circles should I draw that of students that chose reading as their favorite subject. How many students? Let's see if you were right. One circle is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And that's how many students, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. of them chose 7 circles, but each circle is 2. So that gives me 14 because 2 times 7 is 14. Oh, you see our multiplication there. 3 times 2 gives us 6. And 4 times 2 gives us 8. So see how we use multiplication in our table here? So this is how we create and use a pictograph. The most important part is don't forget that the pictograph is always going to have a key.